Hey, welcome to my channel. In this episode, I'll be building this Moon Gundam. I was told that this kit was made in MG quality and in HG price. I can't agree more. There are 17 runners and most of the exterior armor is molded in light gray color. I'm pretty impressed to see this high-grade kit coming with an action base. I guess it's because the back is too heavy to stand on its own. Most of the time, I just snap your high grades, but this time I feel like painting some of the parts. I usually do a bit more with kits I like. I don't know if you guys are interested in watching this airbrushing part. I found it boring sometimes, but I still want to show you guys my favorite airbrush from Madworks. This is one of the best high grade I've built so far, and the level of details are almost like a real grade. There's no poly caps and the joints are all plastic on plastic. This kit does not come with stickers, and if you also don't pen online, you can just hand paint some of the details. The individual funnels of the cycle plate can be separated and mounted on the backpack or forearms. There's a hook to connect them together. Each of the plates connect to form a half moon during standby and separated when deployed. The moon can be close together or form like a shield. The beam tomahawk can be stored in a backpack when not in use. The two beam boomerangs are stored in the back of the forearms and just flip out both ends to attach the beams. And this is the beam rifle, nothing special. I try to make all these plates flying out, but there's nothing to hold them up. This is the best I can get. I really like the funnel system and the kit feels pretty solid. Articulation is great comparing to standard high grades. I know I haven't been posting much lately, and December is usually the busiest month for flight attendants. But thank you for your continued support and still catching up with me. Hope you liked my video today, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. See you in the next one.